y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So as you can see, our Misfits box just arrived. If you're new to Misfits, it is an ugly produce subscription company. So they do all organic produce, and I'm not sure if all of their products, like the prepackaged products, are organic, but I think they're like gluten-free and organic and non-GMO and all that kind of stuff. But they are an organic produce company, and they're considered an ugly produce. So bulk supply, misshapen, too big, too small, things like that. Nothing like ruined or rotten. But this is the new program I finally transitioned over to. Not by choice, it's something they're trying to move everybody into. So it's not like I just decided to move into it. And what I mean by new program is their old program, you could choose if you wanted the smaller box or the Mischief box as it was called, or the Madness box, which is the larger box, what we used to get for a bigger family. Now they've gone to where they're just doing a $30 minimum, and you can add whatever you want, whether fruits and vegetables in their marketplace items like the milks, the oats, lentils and things like that that I usually don't get. But it's cool that they're opening up that option for adding on anything at all that they sell, not just the produce, and then those extra things would be add-on. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet. I am really excited because this is the first box where I've gotten to choose everything. Now, I still did pick all fruits and vegetables. I didn't add any of those things like the oat milks and the butters and things like that, because this is primarily what I get this for, is the fruits and vegetables. So I still want to see how that compares to what I was getting before. Now, the first thing I do see is that it is a sizably smaller box. Now, I did stay around my same price range of what I was paying for the box to begin with. So, and I just went just barely over the $30 minimum because, again, I want to see how close this matches what I was getting before. Now, this thing could be packed. They could have decided, you know what, not only are we changing to this, but we're going to like knock it out the park with our packaging and everything too. So this could be all just really packed in here. But I have my list pulled up next to me to see if things match up. I will say one thing that I'm very hopeful for is that in previous boxes, all right, y'all, I'm back. So one thing I am hoping with this is that in previous boxes, when they didn't have something to fulfill in your order and they still wanted to match that number of 14 different varieties of things, they would substitute an item. I'm not sure how that's going to go in this box, but I'm hoping that if they don't have it, they won't substitute. Because if I'm paying for a particular item, and that's what I chose, especially if I'm paying for multiple quantities of that item, I'm hoping that they'll simply, instead of replacing it with something, they'll just refund me that portion of the money back, because I might not necessarily want that item. In the other box, it was just fruits and vegetables. It wasn't as big of a deal because there was still the surprise factor. But if that's not something I've already added to this box with the itemized choosing, then I really don't want it to be substituted for something else, especially when I might not feel that that is a good price, especially in my area for something. So I'm not sure how that's going to go with this, but still want to wait and see. I did notice that I still got a good variety of things. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 varieties for the $30. Some things that I found on Misfits that I can't even find in my local grocery store, I went ahead and put in this box. I have this pulled up so that I can see if everything matches up, because I ordered multiple quantities of some things also. So I want to see if that fits in line with it. But let's open it up and go ahead and get started with it. So like I said, it is noticeably smaller than my usual boxes. I usually get very large boxes, which I ordered the Madness box, so that makes sense. With this, I stayed right in the same price point, and we'll see how it goes. So right on top, I love these recipe cards and information cards. We don't always get them, but when we do, I absolutely love them. Chocolate beetroot pudding pots. Okay. It tells you just some marketplace products, and now you can add these in and it can be in the cost of the base of your box. So that's really cool too. This is one of my favorite things to get from them is their fresh herbs. I think I got 2 things of fresh herbs in this box also. But their price point is really good and they're always really fresh. Oh, and the mushrooms. Look, there's several things I got in here. So the mushrooms, absolutely love. We're actually using some of the mushrooms tonight to make the homemade pot pie. I think I've made that on our channel before, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out one of our homemade pot pies. But for tonight's, I know I got some rosemary now. I got rosemary and like cremini and button mushrooms for our chicken pot pie that we're doing tonight. But let's chit chat, more unboxing. So their recycled cotton backing. Oh, it's a little ripped, but that's okay. It's gonna get recycled anyway. Their divider and ice pack.
I'm gonna show you something.
All right, come show me. So Thatcher's gonna help us unbox. Let's move him closer. Oh, let's not make a mess with this, please. Let me tuck it in. So it's ripped and it's making, I know, it's making quite a mess. So here, let me scoot you closer. Whoop.
Why did you make me fall?
I didn't mean to. All right, hand some stuff to me. Say artichoke. Artichoke. So we do have some bruising on it. We'll have to use that quickly.
Peaches.
Peaches. This is.
I have one.
Okay, okay. This is what I know. This is what we haven't been able to find in our local area yet, and my kids love peaches. So, 2 yellow peaches. Here.
More peaches.
I know. Here we go. We should have 8 peaches. Yes, I ordered 8 peaches. So, we have 4 so far. That one's a little soft, but so far not too bad.
This is a lot.
Ooh, oh, can I taste? Yeah. Look how beautiful that is inside. That's juicy. Say
Yeah.
juicy?
Juicy.
Juicy. All right, let's see if this is some more peaches. Yes, indeed. These are our mushrooms, so we're using those tonight. Pears. Now I ordered that we should have 2 or 3 of the pears. Zucchini. And again, it's got some nicks and bruises, but good size. This should be our last thing of peaches. So y'all can see they packed it in pretty tight. Oh, hold on.
That's not
So 2, 4, 6, 8. So we'll have to see
the
what.
last one.
Yeah, we'll have to see what's in here. Let's see. Tomato. Now this is already molded, so I'm not too happy with that. That's not their usual quality. I don't like that that's already molded. So we're gonna stick that over here. Our dandelion greens. So we hadn't had this before, and then we tried it, and now we love them. They're really good. We sauteed them down. I'm gonna put that with some potatoes and things and see how that turns out. Rosemary. Smell it. That goes with our chicken pie pie. That goes with our chicken pie pie tonight. Our button mushrooms.
Yeah.
So we'll leave those. Oh, our mint. So
My
I got this
That's
for
so
myself to make
disgusting.
some mojitos. And then I just picked some random lettuce. And yeah, so again, not, hold on baby, not the most beautiful. You can see, so, I'm not gonna say anything yet. Lemon needs to be ripened some more, and I ordered a 2 to 3 pack of lemons. A potato, ooh, that's a funny looking potato. Another pear, another potato. As y'all can see, we definitely need to restock our little veggie basket. So our lemons. Let's see what else we got. Another zucchini. This one looks beautiful. I don't really see anything wrong with it. A little nick, but
Oh
and we did order. I did order 2 count zucchini. Organic English cucumber. Now this one is all mushed down here, but I can probably salvage from here down. So I'm not worried with that. Yes. So
I
yes. butternut. It is not your peaches. Our butternut squash. And it's getting kind of late in the season for this, but I still try to get my hands on it. Our artichoke. Let's see what we're missing. Oh, some more mushrooms. How many mushrooms did I order? Oh, I ordered 2 creminis. There we go. Oh, another pear. So we did get our 2 to 3 Bartlett pears. What else we got coming? Huh. Oh, yes. Let's see how many. I did order 2 butternut squash. So there we go. And that's it. And we shouldn't have any extra cards because usually it's just the one set. So that's our box. The other box I definitely got a better feel. Let's see how many of these little potatoes. So it did say 2 to 3 count, and I got 2 really good size yellow potatoes. So I'm happy with that. If the lettuce and the tomato for my salad hadn't been spoiled, and these artichokes, definitely need to cook them. Probably need to cook them tonight and then just have them for lunch tomorrow. But may even cook them tomorrow and see if they'll last. It's not bad. The quality of most of it looks good. It's just, and it may even be that when they packed it, whoa, go throw it away. You want to come get another one?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I eat all of them.
No, not tonight. That they just kind of overstocked it because really the rest of these look beautiful. So those may have just gotten smashed and kind of dinged them up. Whoa, 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 whoa. But we'll still keep giving it a try. We'll see. I'll message them about the lettuce and tomato.
I can give it by myself.
Okay. I don't usually like to complain about it, but...
Look, it doesn't have any finger on it.
Oh, I know. I already pulled... Oh, and no stickers? But I want to make sure that we're getting our money's worth and we're not just spending on something that we can't use anyway. But we shall see. We're going to keep going and keep seeing how this new style of Misfits unboxings work. And hopefully they'll continue to have lots of stuff that we want to invest in.
I did peach on you.
Oh, don't want no peach on me. But the peaches, I'm telling you, that was juicy. Show them what this peach looks like. Is this one still super juicy?
Suck.
Oh, well. Mmm. So yummy, yummy. We need to save at least 2 for Sissy. She'll want to pack it in her lunch tomorrow. I mean, y'all, look how gorgeous. Yummy.
Can you please not take a bite of it?
Okay, I won't take a bite. We're going to spoil our dinner. But, as always, we'll leave y'all some pictures at the end of what we've made with some of our previous box items. We did a lot of cooking over this last box. Just didn't record a lot. Sorry, y'all. We've just been kind of blowing and going into the school year, staying busy. But as always, thank y'all for joining us. Whoa! And if you like our content, you want to see what we make with all of our things for our Misfits box, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our Krista's Kitchen family and Thatcher's channel. This is Thatcher, by the way, and he's my little sous chef. So we're gonna get it all put away, cleaned up. Remember to wash your fruits and veggies, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.